A boat's battery switch might seem like a simple on-off mechanism. In reality, it's a critical component of the electrical system. It acts as the central control point for the flow of electricity. Think of it as the heart of your boat's electrical system. The battery switch allows you to completely disconnect your batteries. This is essential when the boat is unattended. It prevents accidental power drain and potential hazards. It also plays a vital role in emergency situations. A quick shutoff can prevent further damage in case of electrical faults. Starting a boat engine, especially a large diesel engine, requires a substantial surge of electrical current. The battery switch must be capable of handling this high amperage demand without overheating or failing. An inadequate switch can lead to voltage drops. This can prevent the engine from cranking properly. The size and type of your engine will determine the necessary rating for your battery switch. Always consult your engine manufacturer's specifications. It's generally recommended to choose a switch with a higher amperage rating than the minimum requirement. This provides a safety margin and ensures reliable engine starting. The marine environment is harsh and unforgiving. Battery switches are constantly exposed to moisture, salt spray, and vibration. They must be durable and corrosion-resistant to withstand these conditions. Look for switches made from marine-grade materials. These are typically constructed from tin-plated copper or stainless steel. These materials offer excellent corrosion resistance. The switch housing should be robust and water-resistant. It should have a high ingress protection (IP) rating. This ensures protection from water and dust ingress. Safety should be paramount when choosing and installing a battery switch. The switch should have features to prevent accidental operation and electrical hazards. Look for switches with a clear and positive on and off indication. A safety lockout mechanism can prevent accidental activation. This is particularly important if children are on board. The switch should be located in a well-ventilated area. This will prevent the buildup of potentially explosive gases. Always adhere to the standards set by the American Boat and Yacht Council, ABYC, and the International Organization for Standardization, ISO. These standards provide guidelines for safe and reliable electrical installations on boats. Regular inspection and maintenance of your boat's battery switch are essential for optimal performance and safety. Check for signs of corrosion, loose connections, or any other damage. Clean the terminals regularly and tighten any loose connections. If you encounter any issues, consult a qualified marine electrician for assistance.